Hi, in front of me is GIGASET GS190 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and select System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your current keyboard. When you're done, click on Theme and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now you can select the photo that you want to apply by clicking on it, then pinching it to scale and dragging to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done, and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off. Lastly, click Apply. And now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!